In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to stop WebEasy from creating generic page URLs. By default, WebEasy automatically labels your pages with the name of your document, followed by a number. The only exception to this rule is the index or home page. This page name must not be altered to ensure the server knows which page to load by default. It's also important to note that the page title is not the same thing as the page file name. The title is actually used for search engine optimization, displaying text in the browser tab, and specifies the linked text in the favorites list. With that being said, let's go into WebEasy and begin naming our pages. The first page in our document will automatically be set as the default page. We can change the file name, but if we do, we need to select another page to be named index.html. Since the first page will be our home page, let's leave it alone and move on to the second. The first thing we need to do is deselect all objects by right-clicking on the workspace and choosing Deselect All out of the Select menu. Again, if the Deselect All option is not available, it's okay for us to move on. Next, we'll open the Inspector tool by pressing Ctrl-K, click on the Properties tab, and then double-click on the Value column next to the File Name attribute. Before we change the file name of this page, let's cover the ground rules. The file name extension must be .htm or .html. Both extensions work perfectly fine in most cases. The only difference is .htm was created for old computer systems that couldn't handle extensions longer than 3 characters. We also need to make sure that no two files have the same name. As for the file name format, we should only use lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores in order to be compatible with all servers. If you really want to use other characters, you'll need to find out what's supported on your server. Now that we know the basic rules, let's rename the page. I prefer to use the page title as a file name to keep it simple. So this page will become about_us.html. The underscore is being used here to replace the space, making it easier for people to read our website URL. Once we enter the name, we can go ahead and click OK to save the changes. Now let's quickly change the rest of our file names. Lastly, we can preview the page to see our new file names in action. As we can see, all our new file names are showing up in the URL. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.